everyone, it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on today with what is currently America's #1 mascara. They have voted, they have compiled all of the sales, and this mascara is #1 in America. Isn't that flippin' amazing? Because there's a lot of mascaras out there. And best of all, it is a drugstore mascara. So before I make you wait any longer, let me go ahead and reveal what this mascara is. Some of you might have guessed already, but it is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. And this mascara is said to give you 5 times thicker and fuller lashes, and so many of you do agree. So many of you do love this. I know this is Makeup by Mario's favorite mascara. He says he uses it on all of the Kardashians and all of his celebrity clients. So I figured I would go ahead and do a demo today because I also have used this mascara and I absolutely love it. But I'm now here in Florida, and normally I live in New York where it's not as hot, it's not as humid. So I figured I would do a wear test today. I'm going to do a demo and show you beauties just how it applies in case you are in the market for a new mascara. If this is already not in your beauty bag, then I'm going to do a demo so you can decide for yourself if you really want to pick it up. But also I'm going to do a wear test because I'm going to see if it lasts throughout the day. Because for me, a lot of mascaras, I'll put them on and they look great, and then throughout the day, they'll wind up flaking on my eyes. It could be a few hours later, my eyes will start stinging, they'll start watering, and it's all because of the mascara. But a lot of times you put them on initially and you get a great look, but then it'll start transferring onto your, if you're like me, I have hooded eyes, it will start to transfer onto my hooding, and I'll wind up walking around looking like a raccoon. So hopefully we won't have that experience today because I am going out to dinner and I really don't want that to happen. I mean, I never want that to happen, but I especially don't want that to happen if I'm out and about amongst people that might be looking at me like I'm crazy. So anyway, beauties, let's just dive right in. I can't wait to test this out today and to do a little demo for you dolls. Now, something about this mascara that might not make it for everyone is that it does give you more of a full and dramatic look, and not everybody likes that. There are mascaras out there that will give you a more natural look. This mascara is designed to give you a more full and, again, dramatic appearance. So if you're not into that, this might not be the mascara for you. But let me go ahead and show you exactly what it can do. Now, what I really like about this mascara is that it does separate and build up every lash individually. I have found it to be clump free and also, again, transfer resistant, but that is only in New York, and I'm going to see today how it does in the humidity. It does have a unique volume maximizing brush which quickly thickens and builds every lash evenly for that full and bold look. It also resists clumping, and it softens your lashes so that they wind up being 5 times their natural thickness. And it has been amazing on my sensitive eyes. It's also great for contact lens wearers because most have said that it doesn't irritate them even when they have contact lenses in, or if you're like me, I do have very sensitive eyes, it does not irritate my sensitive eyes. I also do love how this mascara comes in 7 different shades, although one of those is a primer, and the primer is really amazing. So let me get right into it and do a quick demo. Now, I have naturally very sparse lashes, so I am going to curl my lashes first. If you have thicker lashes or longer lashes, naturally you won't need to do this step. But if you have a very sparse lashes, curling your lashes makes a huge difference. And if you have hooded eyes, I've noticed that this lash curler from Glamnetic is absolutely amazing because it does not pinch my hooding. It has never pinched my hooding. It's really amazing because my other ones would wind up pinching and hurting my eyes, but this one from Glamnetic has never done that. So I love this, and so let me go ahead and show you how I do it. So you just want to place the lash curler in your thumb and pointer finger and go ahead and open it up as wide as you can, and then place it right on your eyes. You can rest it comfortably over your orbital area, and then go ahead and press down. Now, I like to hold it here. I like to do about 30 seconds. And I will try to get closer and closer to the lash base as I'm comfortable doing. So I'm actually trying to get closer right now, and then I'm squeezing. So you do feel the squeezing. I actually like the feeling, so it winds up being good. But yeah, the great thing is that this lash curler will not pinch your hooding or pinch your eyes. I've never had that experience, and I used to always have that experience, so I didn't want to use an eyelash curler, but now that I use this, curling my lashes has been a dream. So okay, that's good enough, I think. So do you beauty see the difference? How it has already curled and just made them more lifted in appearance. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. The same thing, just kind of get as close to your lash base as possible. And I like to pulse. I am pulsing right here. You can probably see I'm pulsing the lash curler gently, and yeah, just hold it here. You can pulse and hold, and I just do this for about, like, again, I do it for about 15, I guess 10 to 30 seconds. Pretty much, I guess my average would be 10 seconds, to be completely honest, because I'm quite impatient. So there you go. I'm actually loving the way this looks already, but we're going to go ahead and lengthen and build these up and see the 5 times of volume and boldness that this mascara will give. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lashes. I like to kind of wiggle from underneath first with the first application. So I'm taking it and I'm wiggling it outwards. And I also like to concentrate it on the outer portion of my eye, like so, and then take the wand vertically and kind of just work it into the outer portion of my eye to give that kind of doe-eyed look. And then I'm going to go in from the top now and underneath. So top and underneath, top and underneath. And again, just flicking outwards. Now, because I have a pretty sparse, thin lashes, you know, this doesn't give the boldest of looks. I don't feel like it looks too dramatic. I feel like it actually looks very natural and beautiful and definitely thicker and fuller. But personally, I don't feel like it looks like too much. What do you beauties think? Do you see a difference? I think it makes such a huge difference when you go in and just take your wand, again, vertically, and just kind of, I call it feed each lash. I'm trying to like nourish and feed each individual lash with the mascara so that they'll be nice and thick and full. And then I'll just put some on the lower lashes, just a little bit, because it just looks more natural to me that way. So now let's go ahead and do the other eye. And again, I'm just starting from the base underneath and wiggling it outwards. And you definitely see how it is individually nourishing each lash with mascara. So it's separating the lashes. As you can see, it's not clumpy, which is really great. So many mascaras come out of the applicator just straight out with clumpiness and too much product, but this actually never takes too much product out. So you definitely wind up with less clumpy lashes, if clumpy at all. I feel like these are not clumpy whatsoever. And I really love that. Do you guys love that too? I mean, who wants clumpy lashes? I guess some people it's a look, right? But for me, I love how this L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara definitely just gives a more natural, non-clumpy effect. So this is where we're at. I've applied the mascara to both my eyes, and I could not love this mascara more. It is truly very natural looking to me, also with volume though. And I also love how it has panthenol and ceramides in it, which help to condition your lashes as well. So this is also good for your lashes, as well as making them look so much more fuller, so much more thicker, and so much more voluminous. Another great point is that it is $10. And I have tried other mascaras for 3 times the price, at least 4 times the price, and they do not compare to this mascara whatsoever. So that is another amazing and great feature of this L'Oreal mascara. The price point, only $10, maybe $10.99. I've even seen on Amazon where you can get a 2-pack for $13.99. So I'll have those linked down below. I'll also have this mascara linked in my shop with YouTube feature down below. The shelf right underneath this video. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to be, like I said earlier, I'm going out to dinner. So I'm going to come back with a wear test, and hopefully this will not transfer onto my hooding or onto my eye space and leave me with those raccoon eyes. So I'll be back later on tonight and let you know how this holds up for me. But let me know down in the comments what your experience has been. What is your number one mascara? Do you love this one as well? Let me know down below, and you'll be entered into today's giveaway for a PayPal gift card. It is a surprise giveaway, so you don't know how much it's going to be for, but definitely comment down below your favorite mascara, and I'll be picking from your comments to gift one of you beauties with this giveaway of the day. So anyway, I'll be back very soon and let you know how it's holding up for me in this Florida heat and humidity. So beauties, I just got home and it is quite a bit later. It's like 7 hours later, I think. We went out to dinner. We went to the Bonefish Grill. It was so good. But you guys, look at these lashes. They haven't budged and they look so good. I didn't even feel the need to put on more mascara. Normally, I do want to put on more mascara just to kind of open up my eyes a bit, but this mascara really made my eyes look so much more wide awake that I didn't feel like I needed any other makeup, because I really thought I was going to go put on some more makeup before I left, but these lashes look so good. I was like, girl, you don't need nothing else. So this mascara is bomb.com, and it was so hot out. And guys, so many of my mascaras, I mean, I just had I believe it was the Gucci mascara did transfer into here, into my hooding and into my lid space, and when I got home and I looked in the mirror, I was like, oh my god, it was all over my face. So this didn't do that. I would let you guys know, definitely, you know, my honest opinion, and this is real. This is real. I didn't do any touch-ups. Granted, I put a little powder on just because some of you dolls are triggered by the shine. So I don't mind it, but some of you beauties, I get comments and they're like, girl, the shine. So I did put a little powder on, but that's it. So anyway, oh no, I changed my outfit too. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for spending the day with me and, you know, doing a Florida wear test, a humidity wear test of this L'Oreal Volume Mascara, America's #1 mascara. Definitely can see why, and I will have it linked down below in the shop with YouTube feature, the new shopping shelf. So much fun, so easy to shop, and they always do have coupons as well. So there's usually a coupon where you can save if you use the shop with YouTube feature. So definitely check that out right down here, and also don't be shy and enter today's giveaway. So comment down below your favorite mascara. Do you love this mascara as much as I do? Let me know, or let me know your favorite, or let me know which one you'd like to try out next. Which one should we try out next and see if it's worth our money? So anyway, beauties, I hope you are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.